It's another day's journey, and I'm glad about it. Okay, that was horrible. But at any rate, today is Sunday. It's another day. And so on today, we are doing the stickers for this order. We did 2 shot glasses. I'll put a picture, video, whatever, of the shot glasses in. Also, I mentioned earlier that I had done what do you call them, coasters. I did the coasters, but it was not the right logo, so those have to be redone. I've already taped them up. I did that early this morning slash last night, and I am not ready to do this yet. And so they have to be pressed. This is glossy photo paper, and we are you actually go back, this is glossy sticker paper. And so we are cutting out stickers. They don't want the sheet, they want the actual individual stickers. So we've played with the settings. We think we finally got them right to actually come out. We got some to come out, but the top layer, the actual sticker part, does not peel well. So the first cut for the actual sticker I have to redo. So I just went ahead and printed the sheets that we need for the order. But first I have to put the laminate over it. So let's go do that, and then we'll come back and put it on our mat and cut it. Okay, so here's the sticker sheet. Here's the laminate. It's Avery laminate paper, laminate sheets. We got the pack off of Amazon. So it has this little part where you peel this off. I just figured this out this morning. Where you peel this off, and then it leaves exposed this little top part. So the goal is to, and again, this is the first time I did this morning. So the other sheet turned out pretty good. So the goal is to line it up as best as possible with the top, get it on, and then you can pull it back and you can slow peel, and lay down the rest of it. So I did this better when I off camera because I didn't have the camera on. But okay, here we go. And you just rub it down as you go, making sure that there's no bubbles or anything. And you just rub it down, rub it down, rub it down. The song that's in my head is not, I can't sing it. I'm thinking about a Silk song. Okay. And they're not talking about rubbing, they're talking about something else. Okay, so that's a bubble. Let me see. Well, hopefully try to get these bubbles out real quick. And then we're gonna go back to the mat. We're gonna put this on the mat. Don't talk about the mat that I have. It's dirty. So we gotta use painter's tape to stick it down. But I'm gonna cut off this little excess down at the bottom. I'm gonna leave what's on the sides because it doesn't matter. Actually, the bottom doesn't matter either because it's gonna cut it. This is not gonna be a part of it, but I'll take it off. Excuse me. And then we're gonna cut it, and fingers crossed, the first cut is gonna do what it needs to do, and then the second cut is gonna cut through. We know because we already did that. There we go. Okay, I think we got all the bubbles out, so let's go put it on the mat. All right, let's load it. Okay, and then we're gonna go back to my laptop because I didn't bring it back here, and we're gonna hit send, and we're gonna do the first cut, which is going to cut the first inner circle to get for the actual sticker part. And then we're going to cut it. We're not going to unload it. We're going to leave it on the cutter, and then we're going to cut it again for the outer circle for it to perforate, which means for it to come off the paper. Okay, all right, that's the goal. Okay, so we're just going to hit send, and maybe hit send, and then we're doing the so the outer line is purple and the inner circle is red. So we're doing the red one first. We got the settings at 13. Speed, force is 13. Speed is 5. We're gonna do 2 passes, and we're gonna the blade depth is 2. So we're gonna hit send. We're gonna let this cut And then after it cuts this, then I'm going to go back, uncheck the red, check the purple, make sure the purple is highlighted. And the settings we have for the outer circle to perforate it is 25 for the force, 5 for the speed, 2 passes, and the blade depth of 4. We already know that that works. We're trying to get the inner circle so that it'd be easy to peel. The other ones are can be peeled. It's just not easy. But let me show you what they look like. Okay. So this is how the first one turned out. And like I said, it didn't. And, you know, you see the, what do you call it? The laminate sheet is not separated from it or anything like that. But it did cut out, but you can't get the, yeah, see, the sticker is not easy to lift up. So we want it to be easy. It will lift up, it's just not easy. So we're hoping that this will work. Okay, so it looks like that's done. So before we cut the second circle, the second cut for the preparation, we're going to check it to be sure it's easy to lift, and then we're gonna do the second cut. Okay, so here we go. The stickers are done. I'm gonna give you an update on the stickers in a minute, but right now doing the coasters, and it's for the same order, and I'm gonna do 3 at a time because I did this with the other ones and it worked. So, and then we'll do the other 2 because there's 5 of them. So I got one piece of parchment paper. I'm just gonna fold it over. I got it set 385, 60 seconds. Let's pull it down. 45 seconds. Oh, it's supposed to be 45 seconds. Hold on, y'all. Gotta adjust it. All right. So it was 45 seconds and not 60 seconds. The supervisor had to remind me because it was an issue when I did it the first time. But you can see, can you see? You can see it through. That's one way you know that it actually pressed. There you go. Okay, so we're just gonna move these to the side. Room. Put them on PlayStation? No, I did not. Okay. And then we have 2 more. So let's do the, if we can get the tape came off of that one. Do these last 2. Okay. And before I do it, I'm going to adjust the pressure because I have it up too high. So let me adjust it. Okay, so that's that. Okay. So, it's hot. Okay. So I'm going to take these off, and then after I take everything off of it, I'll show them to you, and I'll also, as I said, show you the stickers and give you an update on the cut of the stickers. Okay, so here we go. Here are the stickers that were done. Here are the 2 shot glasses, and then here are the coasters. So this is the order that we've been working on. That is done. The shirts and the onesie are done. I don't think we have anything else to do in regards to orders today, but we do have some mocks we need to make, so I may show you that as well. So that's all we got for you today. We hope that you enjoyed. In this video, I believe what you saw is the custom order product, custom order for shot glasses, stickers, and coasters. And I think what you're going to see in this video as well, what you saw in this video as well, is the custom order for the onesie and the t-shirt for the mother slash Yaya. Don't call her granny, honey. Don't do that. So I think that's what you saw in this video. I hope that's what you saw. But anyway, whatsoever it is that you did see, I hope that you enjoyed it. As always, be sure to like, share, follow, and subscribe, and be blessed, as well as continue to say how you feel.